Here at my house, I'd had trouble all winter with coyotes and fox coming in the yard because of my dogs. And I previously installed lights on both sides of my house. I'll show them here in a little bit. And the light that they put out are just amazing. I didn't unbox this. I wanted to hook it up temporarily so I could show the quality of the light. I'm gonna put it out here temporarily. I just wanted you to see the information on it. This thing, just this bracket alone, weighs probably 3 or 4 pounds. There's nothing, everything about this thing is quality. I'm gonna pause this video here long enough for me to take it outside, put it up temporarily so you can see the kind of light that it puts out. I've just got this set up on a ladder. It's only 6 feet in the air, but I want to show the kind of light that it puts off. It's pretty amazing. You can see that it just lights everything up probably for 100 feet out. You can see clear down my driveway now, clear out across my yard. Driveway's totally lit up. I don't want to shine it right in the light, but it's amazing. You can even see out here in my field. I would have never believed in a million years that you could get this kind of light. This is just unbelievable. And that's not directed or anything on the pole. That's just set up on a ladder. I'll show. You can see we're putting light up down here. Clear down in here.